Standby. Okay.
Technology empowers me to gain feedback on my writing in real time from my teacher or class.
Technology empowers me to see a lot.
Technology empowers me.
Technology empowers me to help them.
Technology empowers me to
Technology empowers me to be able.
Technology empowers me to gain feedback on my writing in real time from my teacher or a classmate in Google Docs.
Technology empowers me to find any document or source I need to do my research report for numerous databases that my librarian has taught me how to use.
Technology empowers me to collaborate using Google Drive on that science fair project. My parents don't have to drive me to my friends and pay the tolls. We save money, reduce our carbon footprint, and learn at the same time.
Technology empowers me to be encouraged to get to school on time because attendance is captured and my house is automatically dialed each day.
Technology empowers me to be able to take blended and online courses. I can work at my own pace, communicate with my classmates and teacher via online discussion boards, and reflect on lessons taught.
Technology empowers me to deliver my lines for this video without having to memorize them.
La tecnología me refuerza a aprender español cuando yo escucho los videos que hace mi profesor y la música hispana que él pone.
Technology empowers me to use green screen and streaming technology to inform staff and students about what's going on in our school community.
Technology empowers me to see a wide range of new exercises on the iPad to help improve my ability, strength, and technique in physical education to keep a healthy body and stay fit.
Technology empowers me to help the environment by using less paper. I can access the lessons tasks via the iPad and share or examine the work of classmates to learn how to do things differently.
Technology empowers me to know how I did on a quiz via my school's data learning management technology. I can check my grades from anywhere, on a computer, on a tablet, even on my smartphone. Come to think of it, so can my parents.
Technology empowers me to live stream the high school play to friends and relatives anywhere in the world.
Technology empowers me to access learning from home. I can watch screencasts my teachers make as many times as I need, pausing, practicing until I get it right.
It's going to be 0 because there is no mass that's off of the x-axis.
Technology empowers me to use my iPad to create screencast tutorials that I can study from and share with my classmates. Technology empowers me to visualize how a scientific experiment works on the smartboard without all the formerly needed expensive and dangerous equipment.
Technology empowers me to edit the very program you just finished enjoying.